Sometimes music is powerful. It's a beautiful way to communicate. It has three outstanding features. First, it represents a kind of composer's wisdom. Besides, the composers put their own feeling into the composition. It provides us with a sense of a true story, as if be personally on the scene. What's more, when we're so confused that we could hardly compose our thoughts, we can listen to a variety of smoothing songs to keep calm. Or when we feel lost and suffer daily stress, we can listen to the powerful sounds to lift our spirits. In short, different types of songs represent different moods. It depends on what people like and need.